Alright guys, Thursday na naman, which means double header tayo today. We'll be doing a weekly charting session along with our usual daily charting session, no? As per usual, uunahin natin yung daily charting session. And sa mga first time na manonood or mga hindi pa nakakaalam what we do here, what we do in daily charting sessions is we look at trending names. So yung trending names, binabase po natin sa listahan ng Instagrams, which usually you find on the right-hand side of your screen when you use their site, or mga stock requests. So today, it's mostly mga trending names. May konti lang na request. Okay? So I try to balance out naman. I try to do as many trending names as I can and as many requests as I can as well. Then after this, be sure to go watch yung weekly charting session natin where we give an overview of ano yung nangyari sa market over the past week, kung meron ba tayong kailangan pagplanuhan, kung meron tayong kailangan paghandaan, and so on. Okay? If you want to watch that, as soon as it's live, the link for it will be in the description box below. Okay? So let's start, no? Marami tayong pag-uusapan. Let's start with Apple. We last looked at this nung Monday or Tuesday. I don't remember, no? So what happened was we broke below etong support na nga nung 0.103, no? And then we broke down even further. Okay, we broke down even further. And then what happened today was we tried to break back above it. Hindi kinaya, nagkaroon ng rejection. So nag-close tayo ng shooting star, no? Or ng pin bar or whatever you want to call it. Okay? So as long as price continues to trade beneath tong 0.103 na area, then yung trading range natin for this will continue to be ito, yung nasa baba. So 0.08 papuntang 0.103. Okay, i-round off ko na lang ha para mas mabilis. Again, if you're bullish ng Apple or APL, what you want to see is mag-break tayo above here. For a push higher, possibly retargeting tong 14 na area, no? I adjusted my levels a bit sa mga nagtataka. Okay? Break above there kasi, or even at the very least, break back above tong 11, tong high ng candle na to. Why? We just want to see a negation of the rejection na nangyari. 'Di ba? Kasi usually, mga bullish na moves na mas malalakas are based from bearish reversals. Meaning ito, it looks very bearish. It tried to break above this level of resistance. It failed close below with a long rejection wick, no? So mukhang very bearish siya. So usually, kapag na-reverse siya, kumbaga nabawi agad, usually yun yung nagiging mga mas bullish na moves moving forward. But for me, personally, I would rather see a price close above ito para lang masabi natin na may change talaga in structure. Okay? May change in structure. Then maybe from there, it can go back to targeting tong 14 na resistance level. But as long as we stay beneath tong 0.103 na area, then patuloy lang na for now, ito yung range na pwede nating laruin. Okay? Nalimutan ko nga pala guys, mag-apologize na meron tayong mga background noise. As I mentioned before, meron kasi ginagawa dito sa may amin and palapit na sila ng palapit sa amin. So, palakas ng palakas yung ingay, natataon pa ngayon na nagbabare na sila. So, I'm trying to speak over it, pero pasensya na, wala akong magawa for now to cancel out the noise. I'm trying to learn how to edit audio files para mas try na i-isolate. Pero since it's so integrated with what I'm saying, mahirap siya tanggalin ng isa-isa. Alright? So moving on, let's check out ACEN, everyone's favorite, no? So again, sa lahat na may hawak, mga holders, congratulations. Yesterday, we broke above the new high ng 10.68, no? We closed above it, then today, nag-continue. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang yung ACEN. Again, nung dito, sinasabi natin at the time, walang masama kung mag-pullback siya ng konti, di ba? Even up to here, even up to somewhere there, pullback ng konti, okay lang. Pero sabi rin natin, pwede tumuloy. And nangyari nga is nag-consolidate siya sandali, then tumuloy siya. Again, sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, personally, I don't like chasing dahil nga, hindi mo na maalam hanggang saan nang abot niyan eh. Okay, what could happen? One scenario is mag-consolidate muna tayo ulit dito before price decides what to do, kung break up ba o break down. And then we get the pullback that we wanted. Or possible din na tumuloy-tuloy lang. Or possible rin na magkaroon ng parang V-shape na reversal. Na wag naman sana, no? Yun yung bearish case. Okay? So, sa ACEN, again, paalala lang sa mga may hawak na, congrats, but be sure na sinusunod nyo kung anumang trail stop na gamit nyo para you don't give back a lot of the gains kung nagkataon man na magkaroon ng severe pullback tong ACEN. Diba? Na-mention naman natin before na it's not looking likely, it's looking very strong. Pero yun nga, mahirap lang timingan minsan. Okay? Syempre in hindsight, madaling sabihin, dapat pala bumili ako dito. Pero hindsight yun eh. Hindi naman natin alam yung mangyayari. Alright? Lalo na, part siya ng index and then yung index hindi rin naman sobrang ganda yung itsura as we'll see later, no? Okay. So guys, next let's take a quick look at ABS. So ABS today, bigla tayong nag-gap up, no? Gap up, nag-pull back konti, tapos nag-run na. Okay, nag-close tayo at 13.10. Okay? Ang next area of resistance natin is itong white zone dito sa taas. So 13.2 more or less hanggang mga 13.7 na area, no? If mabasag natin 'yan, then likely we'll try to make a run for these highs. Okay? But for now, yan yung next resistance. Now, if you're looking to get in here, konting alalay lang dahil baka mauntog nga tayo sa area na to. And of course, mahirap i-assess yung risk-reward sa mga ganitong pagkakataon kasi dahil nga biglang tumalon, where would you be wrong in the trade? At the earliest, I would say is somewhere here. So baka masyadong severe yung hinahanap natin. Kumbaga yung risk-reward hindi na maganda. Okay, so ingat lang tayo ng konti doon. If you are bullish ABS, then as I said, we want to see it break above this level of resistance. Pero mas maganda sana if either mag-pullback muna siya ng konti, parang mag-flag siya ng ganyan. Then we break out para maganda yung foundation, may basis. Use this as a possible level to get in, move higher. Okay, targeting yung resistance dyan, mas maganda na yung risk-reward. Then see if it can break para nga matarget natin tong highs. What we don't want to see if bullish tayo ng ABS is for price to just reverse really fast. So tumaas siya ng ganito, sabihin natin bukas biglang mag-bearish engulfing ng ganyan, tapos bababa tayo dito, gaganong-ganong konti, tapos magbabasag ulit, gaganyan. Yan yung ayaw natin makita. Yan yung gusto natin maiwasan. Okay lang yung scenario na, yun nga, para nagka-flag tayo, malinis. That's one of the scenarios I like. Very clean. Okay? Okay din lang yung mag-consolidate muna tayo dito konti, para lang may buwelo, para if it does break out, mas may legs. Okay? Pag tumuloy-tuloy lang siya ng ganyan, maraming hindi makakasakay, pero ganun lang talaga dahil mahirap talaga maghabol ng ganito. Okay, lumilipad na ulit kasi nga, malapit na ulit ang election. So, alam naman natin, usually kapag election time, mga ABS, GMA, medyo gumagalaw, even though troubled pa rin ng ABS overall. Okay? This is a good time to remind you na if you like these videos, you find them educational, you find them helpful, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, it's one of the few ways for me to gauge kung talaga nga bang nakakatulong ang mga videos na pinoproduce natin kasi yun naman talaga ang goal, na makapagturo at makatulong sa kapwa. Alright? Moving on, let's look at EMP. Alright. Oops, sorry. So, EMP, nangyari is nag-breakout tayo dito last week, diba? Breakout, tapos nagko-consolidate. Today, we tried to break out of this area of consolidation here. Itong box na to, no? So far, di kinaya. We tried, nag-reject, nag-close dito. So, pagka ganito, ang ayaw kong makita is mag-close siya ng ganito. Pag if close it beneath yung range support, kasi trinay na niya eh. Kung nag-range lang siya, hindi pa tapos, iba yung usapan eh. For me kasi pagka ganito, na nag-try na, nag-attempt na, tapos na only did it fail, nag-collapse pa, then medyo mas mahirap. Kasi ang pwede mangyari kung ganitong isipin nyo yung drawing is pwede tayong mag-form ng head and shoulders pattern. Either yan or etong, either pa ganon or pwedeng ganyan. Diba? Mahirap eh. So yun yung ayaw ko na makita pagka ganito. Diba? So if you're bullish ng EMP, diba sabi nga natin, the next resistance level is at 19.2. So what I want to see soon is not only mabasag tong range, talagang i-challenge na natin to and maybe break above it. Para lang mas may legs kasi nga nag-reject na tayo right before it eh. Okay? So again, ayaw natin makita is we break down here, retest it from underneath, hindi kinaya, breaks down again, breaks below that low, then baka ang mangyari, bumalik na tayo ng 16.46, 16.5 na area, and if that breaks, then possibly 15.18, no? Alright, and then finally, let's look at GSMI. So dahil gumagalaw ang EMP, I figured, eto walang nag-request, I just figured it was prudent to look at kasi gumagalaw yung EMP. Last time sumabay din to. So baka sumunod siya, no? So we tried to break below tong level of support ng 98.5 na area. Nag-reject na malakas, now it's pushing higher. So what we want to see now is as soon as possible, mabasag na natin yung 112 kasi it did its thing na eh. Nag-consolidate na tayo, trinay na niyang basagin yung consolidation, binalikan na niya yung area, pwede tayo mag-consolidate ulit, but what we want to see is for sooner or later, mabasag na natin tong 112. If mabasag natin yung 112, then medyo, kumbaga, clear roads. Malinis na yung pwede niyang galaw, pwede na siyang tumuloy. And medyo malinis naman yung angat nito. 'Di ba? Parang aside from this leg na medyo mataas, na in fairness, pinulbakan din naman, tas maayos yung konso bago nag-breakout, no? But before that, talagang malinis. Stair step tayo, 'di ba? Okay, so medyo may dip dito ng konti, but stair step malinis. Hindi lang siya isang bastang malaking ganon. Okay, so may stair step kahit papano may foundation. So hopefully, if it's able to break above tong 112, tumuloy lang. Okay? But for now, yun nga, ang tinitignan natin is baka mag-range lang muna dito, and that's still okay. What we don't want to see is mag-break below nitong 92. Baka mangyari yung ayaw natin nakikita, which is mag-break nitong low, use it as resistance, then push lower. We might revisit 85 or even 77. Okay, so that's GSMI, no? So guys, I hope marami kayong natutunan from this video. I hope nakatulong kahit papano. And as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. And good luck. And also, happy trading.